Okay, so how do you extrude single lines? Now, for your cookie cutter, I got a random thing over here. It's kind of just random lines and shapes. There are a couple closed surfaces in this, so it did find those, but I don't want to do closed surfaces. Probably some of you have encountered this an accident where you were tracing the logo or something and you went to extrude it and it wouldn't find the surface, but it would find the edges. So to select just the lines, you go over here under output to surface. What this will do is it'll extrude whatever it is as surface. Now, once you select one line, you have to hit OK and then do the other lines. I don't know if okay, you can go back. But if I want them to be different heights, like let's say I want that one to be that high, I have to do them separately. And of course, again, your sketch disappears the first extrusion you do, so you have to turn the visibility back on. Now I'm going to extrude the other one. I'm going to do it also, because watch, when you try to do a solid output, it can't find those green lines because they're not closed, right? So you can select there, though, output as a surface, and I can select those lines. You have to hit the profile arrow every time you click something. Oh, it's not letting me. Is it changing it? Oh, look, it's switching between them. Since they're not connected, I have to do them separately. I can only extrude one of these at a time. That's unfortunate. So let's say I wanted to only do that 0.25, half height. All right, extrude here, output surface, that one, half height, hit OK. So now I've done all my extrusions, let's say. Oh no, I want to get that one there too. Let's say this one I want to make taller. Oops. I want to get that one 0.75. I want to make it taller, like a tower or something. All right. So there's my surfaces. All right. A little hard to see. Now I'm going to thicken those surfaces. Right here, thicken offset. I can select. See, that's 0.1. That's too big. I'm going to make it 0.03. I can make the thicken go in, or I can make them go out from the surface, or I can make it symmetric about the surface. Symmetric is probably good for the cookie cutter. But if you have something where you want the outside dimensions to be exact, you would want it to go in the thicken. I don't really care for the cookie cutter. I'm going to select more if I can. It's not letting me. So I have to hit apply. Then I can select more. If they are connected, it'll let you click on them in series. All right, I don't know if you can see that or not. I couldn't. Let me hit cancel real quick. I can select this big surface, but I can't click I can't click the ones in the middle because they're not connected. If you click in series, it'll connect them all. It does weird stuff to that curve shape. Look at that. It's going to send it kind of strangely. I'm going to go symmetric. See if that works better. This looks like an issue here, right? It's sending it past itself. Not sure what the deal is there. Let's try quilt and see if it can do it better. No, same thing. I bet this is going to give an error. Is new solid, will it be better? We'll see. We'll see what happens. Quilt just detects everything that's connected. Let's see if it can do it. Yeah, see? It doesn't like that tight corner. So one thing you... Oh no, it figured it out roughly. That's good. And then I can hit select and thicken these ones as well. Apply. And this one. Apply. And then you can do other stuff, right? You can try chamfering the edges of these things. That's too much. Like 0.01, see what that looks like. 0.02. It's going to be something you're going to cut with. You might want to. 0.01 would probably be better. Or 0.15 would make it a nice edge, I suppose. halfway through. Will it find that edge? Ooh, it did. Holy cow. Impressive. Let's hit apply there, though. And let's not try to get too greedy in our... see, it can't find that edge. Oh, no, it did find that edge. Nice. Chugging, though. You guys see that? I'm clicking. It's slowing down. Wow. That fillet is tough. But chamfer. All right. That's pretty cool. So it did allow me to chamfer that edge. So now I kind of have like a sharper cutting edge. Anyway, that's how you do that. You extrude it as a surface and you thicken it. And there's all kinds of cool applications for this. I'll be showing you some more of that later on. We call this surface modeling. Anyhow, just a little tip and trick for you.